Write the next question. P equivalent to 2000. P equivalent to 2000. R percentage is 20 percentage. R percentage is 20 percentage. Time period is 1 year 73 days. Somebody asked me, what if it is 2.5 months? Everything we will do. CI is how much? CI is how much? Listen carefully, sir. P is 2000. R percentage is 20 percentage. Time period is 1 year 73 days. CI. I want everybody to listen to this question. Lot of stupid formulas will be there in the books. You don't need any formulas. Listen carefully to this idea, sir. 20 percentage is 1 by 5. 1 year 73 days. What I will do is, I will first do it for 2 years, then I will come to 73 days. 1 by 5, 2 years. So assume principal equivalent to, if it is 2 years, principal equivalent to 5 square, which is 25. Right? It is principal equivalent to 25. First year, listen carefully, sir. 1 by 5 into 25. I want everybody to listen carefully, sir. It is 5. Second year, it is again 1 by 5 into 25. It is 5. Second year, it will be an interest on interest. Previous year interest is 5. On that one, rate of interest is 1 by 5. 1 by 5 into 5 is 1. Now, this is for second year. Now listen carefully, sir. Second year is nothing but, second year is nothing but, second year is 365 days. For 365 days, how much value I got? 5 plus 1 is 6. But according to the question, how many days are there? 73 days are there. So 73 by 365, 1 by 5, 6 by 5 is 1.2. This total 5 plus 1, 6. 6 I got it for 365 days. But according to the question, I need it for 73 days. Remove these 5 plus 1, 6 and replace it with 1.2. 6 is for 365 days. For 73 days it will be 73. 5s are 365. 6 by 5 is 1.2. So, if principal is 25, what is compound interest total? How much I got? What is 5 plus 1.2? 6.2. For 25, I got 6.2. For 2000, how much it is? 6.2 into 800. 6.2 into 800. I want every student to listen to this very, very carefully, sir. These are all fantastic logics which you can use it for 2 years, 3 years. 2 years, 3 years and any number of years. 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. I will slowly increase the level of difficulty.